Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share one of my husband's favorite Tiffin recipes. This is Pongal, but it's not the usual Pongal. Today I'm going to make a special Coriander Pongal. We recently enjoyed this specific Tiffin at a restaurant when we had gone there, and he really enjoyed it, and I decided to share this particular recipe with you guys. Let me know in the comment section as to who in your family enjoys Pongal, or do you often make it at home? Do let me know. So now let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I have taken half cup of raw rice and the same quantity of Moong Dal. This is a 1:1 ratio, which gives the Pongal a perfectly balanced texture and taste. Wash the rice and dal together 2 to 3 times and discard the water completely. Next, we'll prepare the fresh coriander paste, which is the key for this recipe. Take a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Make sure to clean and wash them thoroughly before grinding. You can use the stalks as well, as they add extra flavor. To this, add a few fresh curry leaves and 3 green chilies chopped. If you prefer a milder pongal, you can reduce the chilies to 2. Add a little water and grind everything into a smooth, vibrant green paste. Once done, transfer this paste to a small bowl and keep it aside. Now take a pressure cooker and add the washed rice and moong dal. To this, add 3 cups of water. The measurement is simple. For every 1 cup of rice and dal combined, we add 3 cups of water. Next, add a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, the prepared coriander paste and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Give everything a gentle mix so the flavors combine well. This Coriander Pongal is a beautiful variation of the classic dish, and anyone who loves Pongal is sure to fall in love with this version too. Close the pressure cooker, place the weight on top and cook on medium flame for 4 whistles. Once done, turn off the stove and allow the pressure to release naturally. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. After the pressure settles, open the cooker and take a look at the perfectly cooked rice and dal. Now, if you prefer your pongal extra soft and gooey, you can add 1 cup of hot water at this stage and mix it well. Once done, remove it from the stove and let's move on to the tempering. For the tempering, heat a small pan on low flame. Add a 1/4 cup of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add chopped cashew nuts, slightly more than a 1/4 cup for that rich bite. Now add 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and roast them until they release a lovely aroma. Next, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida and a few fresh curry leaves. Switch off the flame and give it a quick mix. Pour this aromatic tempering over the coriander pongal and mix everything together until well combined. Just look at how beautifully this pongal has turned out, rich, fragrant and incredibly inviting. Serve this hot Kottamalli pongal with coconut chutney or a bowl of sambar for a complete and satisfying meal. Personally, I love my pongal with extra ghee and lots of cashew nuts. It tastes absolutely divine. Trust me, this flavorful twist on classic pongal will become a favorite at your table. Well, the coriander pongal is ready and I can't wait to enjoy this. What is your favorite topping for pongal? Is it cashew nuts or ghee? Because I've added quite a few cashew nuts and a lot of ghee because I like it. Do let me know in the comment section. Wow. It's literally melting in my mouth. Oh, lovely flavors. Amazing flavors. Well, I've served it with sambar and chutney, but you can enjoy it however you like. For all the pongal lovers, this is another variation of the classic pongal that we usually make at home. Well, it's very, very tasty and with the mild flavors of coriander and of course the ginger, ghee, cashew nuts, all the works. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.